Ambiq is a chip company that I founded 10 years ago with one clear purpose: to put intelligence everywhere. Imagine having intelligence woven into your clothing, painted onto the walls, painted onto your car, embedded in every last piece of lab equipment or factory machinery in the world. So I'll return to that in a moment, but in such a vision, we could completely transform healthcare, transform our lives at home, transform the way we work. Over our 10-year history, we've seen two key ingredients emerge in support of this vision. One, everything is becoming connected. Your watch is connected. Your doorbell is connected. Even more mundane things like utility meters are now connected. And two, there's been a Cambrian explosion of AI happening in the world today. Deep neural networks in particular have emerged as an incredible tool for bringing intelligence to all computing devices.